Welcome, today we're going to show you how to get ExitLag free trial. I'll see it from here. So the first thing you need to do is to search for ExitLag free trial, or you can search for ExitLag and then enter the ExitLag website. So we're going to enter the ExitLag trial website, and from here you need to register to your account. So write all your credentials I'll see from here, your name, last name, email and passwords, and then confirm your password again. Then you need to hit on I have read and agreed to the terms. So I'll write my credentials and come back. So after you have done writing your credentials, you can click on create my account. So I'll see from here, sometimes there will be a free trial from here, you can just order it and get it. Also sometimes when you are a new account, they will give you a free trial for ExitLag. So it depends on your region and it depends on your account type and it depends on a lot of factors. So sometimes you will get a free trial and you will be very lucky, and sometimes you will not. So that's it, thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.